Scene script. Have you ever wondered how oxygen is transported in our bodies? The answer lies in a fascinating protein known as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, or HB for short, is an iron-containing protein found in our red blood cells. Its primary function: to act as a ferry, transporting oxygen from our respiratory organs, think lungs or gills, to the other tissues of the body. Once there, hemoglobin releases the oxygen, kick-starting aerobic respiration and fueling our metabolism. It's not just any old protein either. Hemoglobin is a unique metalloprotein, a chromoprotein, and globulin. In healthy humans, you'll find 12 to 20 grams of hemoglobin in every 100 milliliters of blood. But hemoglobin doesn't just work in humans. Almost all vertebrates contain hemoglobin. Well, with the exception of the fish family, Channictidae, and some invertebrate animals. In mammals, hemoglobin makes up about 96% of a red blood cell's dry weight. That's excluding water, of course. Include the water, and it's still a significant 35% of the total weight. Hemoglobin has an impressive oxygen binding capacity. 1 gram of hemoglobin can bind with 1.34 milliliters of O2. This increases the total blood oxygen capacity 70-fold compared to dissolved oxygen in blood plasma alone. A single mammalian hemoglobin molecule can bind and transport up to 4 oxygen molecules. But oxygen isn't the only gas hemoglobin transports. It also carries off some of the body's respiratory carbon dioxide, about 20 to 25% of the total. This is known as carbaminohemoglobin. Hemoglobin also carries the important regulatory molecule nitric oxide, releasing it at the same time as oxygen. And while we commonly associate hemoglobin with red blood cells, it's also found in other cells. From the A9 dopaminergic neurons of the substantia nigra to macrophages, alveolar cells, lungs, and even the retinal pigment epithelium, hepatocytes, and endometrial cells. In these tissues, hemoglobin absorbs unneeded oxygen as an antioxidant and regulates iron metabolism. It's not just animals and humans that have hemoglobin. Many invertebrates, fungi, and plants contain hemoglobin or hemoglobin-like molecules. These hemoglobins may carry oxygen or transport and regulate other small molecules and ions such as carbon dioxide, nitric oxide, hydrogen sulfide, and sulfide. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember the vital role that hemoglobin plays in your body. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. And remember, never stop asking questions, as that's how we keep learning. Until next time.